Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install Spotify to your Android TV without Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what to do is on your Android TV, go over to your browser. It can be a system browser or can be a custom browser. Any browser is going to work. And your browser, you're going to search the application we are looking for, which in this case is a Spotify app. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time to search because I already have it in my suggestion here. So I'm going to type Spotify app for Android TV. And once you search, you're going to see a lot of results like this, which also can work. But that's not what I want. I'm going to come out to an option like this, and this is the Google Play app on the web version of my Android TV. And if I click on it here, I can come over and install this application. And since my TV is an Android TV, this is going to work without any issues. This is only because my TV is an Android TV. If it's not an Android TV, this might not work. Now, if for some reason this option doesn't work for you, they can use third-party options like this or websites like this. Up to Down is a trusted site to download the APK. But only use this option if the first option doesn't work for you. You can use this option to download and install the same application. But if the first option already works for you, then the other option does not actually need to work. So you can use this option. For me, this is the best option. Just go over here, click on the application, and you can download and install to your Android TV. As you can see, the application is downloading, and once it's done downloading, it's going to automatically install to my Android TV. And this is the best way, by using a web version of Google Play Store, and this works on all Android TVs. If you are using a smart TV, this might not work for you. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.